Here is a major opportunity to invest in a SaaS HR platform. Newly created Coach Connector is the first ever platform to offer all the services in one place, including enabling organizations to seek and find highly rated executive coaches, and to manage the whole program online, including all of the admin, to gather stakeholder feedback comments, and to measure the return on investment on the coaching. Over $300,000 has been invested by a leading coaching expert to create the platform and to pay for a team of 5 people to find the best coaches and to establish contact with key clients. Income comes from professional business coaches and coaching companies who supply executive coaching and clients who buy executive coaching, all of whom are potential purchasers of the platform to help them to manage and measure the return on investment of their coaching programs. The biggest portion of the income comes from the 10% cut of the coach fees for the work they get referred to via the purchasers who seek and find them on the platform. The platform needs to recruit a minimum of 1,000 plus coaches in 4 years. The investment is required for global digital marketing to target suppliers of coaching and also buyers, organizations who wish to invest in executive coaching for their key talent. The initial investment is low risk, but the long-term potential development of the platform is broad and could offer huge returns, as the technology can be developed across a broad range of recruitment platforms, even for lawyers, dentists, project managers, and other professional areas of expertise. Coach Connector is extremely scalable and in the long term even saleable. We're looking for the right partner. An investor pitch deck and financial plan is available if you're interested. Please contact Michelle at coachconnector.com for further information.